Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about my home office space transformation, and I'm really excited to show and share this area with you guys. And I also partnered up with Safavieh to complete this room makeover. So I'll be taking you guys along on the entire process of transforming this room into what it is now. Being home and working from home for the past few months really made me realize that I needed a space to work effectively. So please keep watching. So here's the room that will be transforming, guys. This room became a catch-all, dump-all for all of my DIY projects. As a DIYer, we do accumulate quite a lot, and this space needed to be revamped to be functional for working from home. So the kids have been home for a couple of months and they also need some workstations, so we're taking this furniture down to the basement for them. So I went ahead and I just cleaned out the space to kind of get started. So next we patched out the walls, and then we also ran some electrical wires so that we can have a light fixture in this room because it gets really dark at night. So here's the paint that I'm using. It is from Sherwin-Williams and the color is pure white and matte. And here is the paint that I'll be using for the accent wall. So we did the ceilings first. We used leftover paint, and then we used the pure white paint. This is the first coat. You can tell that it's not really covering well, so we needed to do a second coat to get that even finish. So here's what it looks like with the second coat. You can see that the color is more even, so we only did 2 coats of the pure white. This is the wall that the accent wall will be. So I got the stencil off of Cutting Edge Stencil. I think it was about $37. And here is the paint again. Stenciling is pretty easy, but it does take a lot of time. You have to be really patient. As you can see, we have some little dabs that we need to fix, and I used an artist brush and the leftover white paint to fix that. And it does take a lot of time. So if you are going to be stenciling, definitely have time and be very patient. So now we will be putting the furnitures together. All of my furnitures came from Safavieh, and here is the bookcase. I love their furnitures because aesthetically it's so me, and I love how beautiful and functional they are. So here is the bookcase. I have 2 of them, so we're going to start assembling. Well, they say teamwork makes the dream work. So hubby and I just tag teamed on putting the furniture together, and it was so much fun doing it together. So now we are going to be decorating the bookcases. So guys, decorating a bookcase is really an art. And I am still learning how to style a bookcase, but I think I did pretty good. So let me know what you think. So what I was going for with styling both bookcases is that I wanted something that was not identical, something that would take storage for my books and some of my office supplies, and also be cohesive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I styled both of my bookcases. So I also added some personal items to the bookcase. Here is a picture of hubby when we traveled to Jamaica a couple years ago. I cannot wait to be able to travel again. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a few more items. I did add some magazine organizer here, and that I'm using to store some office supplies and things that I don't want visible in this office. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more books that I have on the other side. And the thing about the books are, here are some books that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, guys. They're $1 each. And the trick is you can actually just take out the cover and you have additional books to help style your bookcase. So these books are all from the Dollar Tree. That one was a DIY that I did last year. So I'm just going to go ahead and just stack them up on my bookcase, and that really helps to kind of fill in the space a little bit, and it all still looks very nice. I'm also adding this bookend that you can use to store your mail, so the slots on the side are actually usable, so it's really functional. I'm adding more of those magazine racks, and I'm using it for storage. So that is it with the styling. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the space and tell you where everything is from, starting with my computer desk. So this desk is from Safavieh. I love how chic and slick it is. And guys, one of my favorite part is the storage. It has a very good amount of storage to store office supplies. I'm going to open it up so you guys can see it. So there are two of the drawers, and I love that. So I also have my chair. This is also from Safavieh. I love the tufted look. It is so me and it's so glam, and I love the gray color. It's a very light gray, which I love, and the nail head trims are really pretty. Beside my chair, I have a bookcase to the left and to the right, and I love this for additional storage space in this area because it's not a big office. So I love that I can store my books, and I love the fact that it has this gold leaf detail that's very vintage, and the marble top is so pretty. I absolutely love this bookcase, and the links will be down in the description box for you guys if you're interested. So right here I have this mirror that I got from Kirkland's. Guess how much I paid for this? $55, guys. Follow me on Instagram if you're not. I did link it the day that it went on sale. I absolutely love this mirror, and it just kind of helps make the space look bigger. And beside that, I have this chair that was in my dining room, so I decided to bring it here for additional seating with a little nice side table beside it that's also from Safavieh. And I really love this table because it has that black, gold, and white color that I was going for. It's really, really pretty. And I also have my chandelier that's from Kishler Lighting. It was sent to me. It's so beautiful, and it is perfect for the space. So I'm going to show you guys what I have placed on my desk that really helps me stay organized during the work week as I work in this office. So I'm going to start right here. So this little decor piece here came from the Dollar Tree, actually. Yes, I got it from the Dollar Tree. And I also got my pen from the Dollar Tree. The scissors came from Amazon. And the tape also came from Dollar Tree. You could definitely shop there for office supplies. The actual dispenser is from Amazon. I also have this beautiful decorative box that I placed my post-its in. I use it to take notes while on a phone call, and this is also from Amazon. And I also have a notebook underneath that where I take notes while I am on a Zoom call. And I also added some paper into my tray. So I have this beautiful two-tiered acrylic tray that's so beautiful, and I love that I'm able to see what's inside of the tray. I will link everything for you guys in the description box if you're interested in getting this. I did add these on top to make it more decorative, and it's really, really pretty. So on the left hand side is where I have my window, which gives me additional lighting in the room. And then I have this curtain that I got from Wayfair that's 108 in length. So for the bookcase, you guys saw me decorate this bookcase. I'm not going to go ahead and go through each item, but if you have any questions about the items that I used to decorate the bookcase, let me know. I told you about the books. You can get books from the Dollar Tree and just kind of flip them around or even cover them up with some paper if you want to do that. So that is it for this office makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, please. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. But if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button to be a part of the family. And thank you so much to Safavieh for sponsoring today's video. And thank you again for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.